Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Unacademy Ascend, the dedicated channel for general aptitude, general science as well as engineering mathematics preparation. So I'm back again with the daily practice problems, but this time with a new topic. So we did three parts on the ratio and proportions topic, which is a very important structure or very important subject when you take the numerical ability of general aptitude into consideration. The second most important topic is nothing but the mixtures and allegations, right? So in the mixtures and allegations also, I'll come up with three parts, okay, three episodes or three videos on daily practice problems. So this is the mixture and allegations part one. And similar to the ratio and proportions, we will also do three parts in the mixture and allegations and three problems in all the videos, which will have one easy, one moderate, and one difficult problems. So let's not waste much time. Let's move on to the preparation. That is, let's move on to the first question. Two coffee bags worth rupees 275 per kg and rupees 190 per kg are mixed with a third variety in the ratio 2 is to 2 is to 4. If the mixture is worth 200 per kg, the price of the third variety per kg will be dash. Okay, सीधा बात में समझा गया. तो दो कॉफी बैग है, एक कॉफी बैग का दाम है, एक कॉफी बैग का प्राइस है 275 पर केजी और दूसरा कॉफी बैग का प्राइस है 190 पर केजी. इन दोनों बैग्स को एक तीसरा कॉफी बैग के साथ मिक्स किया गया है और उसका जो रेशियो है, द टोटल रेशियो ऑफ दैट इज एक्चुअली 2:2:4. द मिक्सचर दैट इज इन तीनों को मिलाने के बाद जो मिक्सचर बनता है, उस मिक्सचर का जो रेट है वो है ₹200 पर केजी. अगर इस तीनों मिक्सचर को डालने के बाद उसका रेट 200 पर केजी हो जाता है, तो जो थर्ड वेराइटी का जो कॉफी था उसका रेट क्या होता है, राइट? टू कॉफी बैग्स आर मिक्सड. One coffee bag is 275 and another is 190. These two are mixed with the third one in the ratio 2:2:4. The mixture is worth 200 per kg. So what is the price of the third variety per kg? Right? Four options are given. Let's move on to the answer here. Right? So the answer will be first. Let me take down those two varieties. The first two varieties, they are mixed in the equal ratio, right? The first two varieties are mixed in the equal ratio. So I can easily take up the average price of them, right? I can easily take up the average price of them. So what are their prices? 275 plus 190, right? So their prices are 275 plus 190. What is average price? It is anything divided by 2, right? So 275 plus 190. So this is a 465 by 2, which is nothing but 232.50 per kg, right? This is 232.50 per kg. This will be their average price. So let us keep the third variety as X. We know that the ratio is given as 2:2:4, right? So basically if there are three varieties, so this is the first variety, second variety and the third variety. You can see it properly, the first and second are in equal ratios, right? 1:1. So if I take the first and second ratios as part A and this one as part B, so A will be 2 plus 2, that is 4:4. Yes or no, right? A is to B will become 4:4. There are three varieties which is 2:2:4. The first and two are in equal proportions. So if I take the first and two as one part and the third one as one part, so 2 plus 2 will become 4, 4:4. So this is nothing but in the ratio of 1:1, right? This is nothing but the ratio of 1:1. So we can take up the A as the cheaper and B as the dearer. So by the rule of allegation, cheaper price, okay, mean price, dearer price, right? So dearer minus mean will give you this ratio. Cheaper minus mean will give you this ratio. The cheaper price is 232.50. Okay, dearer price is X. Mean will become the mean price. What is the mean price, right? What is the mean price of the mixture? It is 200 per kg, right? So mean price will become 200. So 232 minus 200, it is 32.50. And here it will be X minus 200, right? X minus 200, 232.50 minus 200, 32.50. So let us note down the ratio is 1:1. So the problem here will be X minus 200 divided by 32.50 is equal to 1/1. That is equal to 1 itself. So doing the cross multiplication, X minus 200 is equal to 32.50. So the value of X will be 232.50. the value of X will be 232.50, which is nothing but the average price itself. So let's go back to the question. It is option B. The average price of two of them, it will be equal to the normal price, right? So X minus 200 by 32.50 minus 200 will become plus 200. So it is a 232.50 will be the answer. Let's move on to the next question. 900 ml of a mixture contains oil and water in the ratio 9:6. How much more water is to be added to get a new mixture containing oil and water in the ratio 9:7? सो इसको हिंदी में बता गए. सो 900 ml का एक मिक्सचर है और उसके अंदर ऑयल और वाटर दोनों को 9:6 का रेशियो में बांट दिया गया है. अगर इस रेशियो को मुझे 9:7 बनाना है तो इस रेशियो के अंदर कितना पानी मतलब कितना वाटर डालना है. The initial ratio is 9:6. This has to be changed to 9:7. That is 6 has to go into 7. So how much more water I should add? So this is oil is to water, right? So what is the total mixture, right? What is the total quantity of the mixture, right? It is a 900 ml, right? And what is the initial ratio? What is the initial ratio? The initial ratio is 9:6. So 9 plus 6 is basically 15, right? 9 plus 6 is basically 15. So quantity of oil. Let me find out the quantity of oil here, right? Out of 15 quantities of oil, 9 is oil, right? Out of 15 quantities of the mixture, 9 is oil. So what is the total? Total is 900 ml into, what is the ratio here? 9, which is of oil, and the total ratio, right? Total amount of the mixture into the quantities of oil divided by the total mixture, right? 900 into 9 divided by 15. Okay, so this will be equal to 540 ml, right? So what will be the quantity of water now, right? What is the quantity of water? The quantity of water is simple, okay? So here it is a 900 minus 540 ml, right? Whatever the oil you get, minus it, you will get the quantity of water, which is 360 ml, right? 360 ml is the quantity of water. What have they told? According to the law of alligation, right? This is the initial mixture, which is 9:6. I should get it in the terms of 9:7, right? 9:7. So according to the law of alligation, 540 divided by 360 minus x is equal to 9 divided by 7, right? I need the final ratio as 9:7, and this 540 ml will stay the same because both the ratios, if you see here, the ratio of oil is the same. What is changing? The ratio of water is changing, right? The ratio of water is changing here. So 360 minus x, right? I have to find out how much extra water I have to add in the final mixture. फाइनल मिक्सचर में क्वांटिटी ज्यादा हो रहा है तो मुझे ये पता करना है कि कितना क्वांटिटी किया है. 360 minus x is equal to 7, right? 9/7. 540 divided by 360 minus x is equal to 9/7. How much more water? I'll find it out. Cross multiply. So this will be 9 into 360 minus 6 is equal to 540 into 7, right? 9 into 360 minus 6 is equal to 540 into 7. So this will be 3780 minus 9x is equal to, sorry, 3780 is 3240, sorry, this is 3240. 3240 minus 9x is equal to 3780. So here 9x is equal to 3780 minus 3240, which is nothing but equal to 540 ml. So here x will be equal to 540 divided by 9. 9 ones are 9 6 are, so 60 ml, right? 60 ml will be the answer. So the correct option is option A, 60 ml, right? So you take out the ratios, you take out the mixture and alligations, then 540, which is the total quantity of oil. Oil is not changing, the water is changing. So 360 minus 6 is equal to 9/7. 60 ml is the answer. Let's move on to the last question of the class. A can contains a mixture of two liquids, X and Y, in the proportion 7:5. When 9 liters of mixture are drawn off and the can is filled with B, the proportion of A and B becomes 7:9. How many liters of liquid A was contained by the can initially? एक कैन है जिसके अंदर दो लिक्विड्स है X और Y और उनका प्रोपोर्शन है 7:5. तो मैं पहले क्या कर रहा हूँ, इस कैन से 9 लीटर्स का एक मिक्सचर उठा रहा हूँ और उसको लेकर मैं B से फिलअप कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है। 7:5 का जो प्रोपोर्शन है उससे 9 लीटर्स निकाल रहा हूँ और उससे मैं B वाला मतलब a can is filled with A, right? So X and Y, so sorry for the letters confusion here, right? X and Y, the proportion of X and Y later becomes 7:9. So how many liters of liquid X was contained in the can initially? Okay, liquid X was contained in the can initially. Okay, two liquids है X और Y, उन दोनों का रेशियो और प्रोपोर्शन है 7:5. इससे मैं 9 लीटर्स का निकाल रहा हूँ दोनों मिक्सचर और उसको मैं Y से भर रहा हूँ, राइट। 9 liters I am taking out X plus Y and I am filling it with just Y. Okay, after I do this, the proportion, the initial proportion which is 7:5, it changes, the initial proportion changes to 7:9, right? Initial proportion changes to 7:9, मतलब y का जो मात्रा है वो बढ़ जाता है, y का जो मात्रा है सेकेंड टाइम में वो बढ़ जाता है। तो मुझे ये फाइंड आउट करना है कि इस इनिशियल रेशियो में x का क्वांटिटी कितना था, राइट। x का क्वांटिटी कितना था वो मुझे फाइंड आउट करना है इस इनिशियल रेशियो में। चार ऑप्शन है, राइट। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं इसको, राइट। So we will start off the answer. So let us write down what is the initial ratio. The initial ratio is 7x, right? The initial ratio is 7x and 5x. So the total ratio will become 7x plus 5x, which is 12x, right? Which is 12x. So इस 12x वाला रेशियो से मैं कितना निकाल रहा हूं, कितना मिक्सचर निकाल रहा हूं, 9 liters, right? From this 12x, I am taking out 9 liters, right? I am taking off 9 liters. So quantity of X in the mixture, right? Quantity of X in the mixture. Starting में कितना quantity था, right? How much of quantity was present? It is basically, right? How much of quantity was present? It is 7y, right? 7y or 7x. 7x is the quantity of X in the mixture minus what is the liters I am taking out, 9 divided by 12x into 7y. I hope you guys understood this formula, right? So 7x only. Okay, 7x which is present here, this is the initial quantity of X which is present in the mixture. In that I am taking out the 9 liters of the total mixture, right? 9 liters of the total mixture, 9 liters जो mixture मैंने निकाला है out of the total mixture 12x into 7x, right? 7x minus 9 by 12x, the mixture. In that 7x, that is the X mixture, right? 7x minus 9 by 12x into 7x. So this will come down to 7 4s are 28y minus 21 divided by 4, right? 28y minus 21 divided by 4. Similarly, let's find out the quantity of y in the mixture, right? Quantity of y is 5x. So substitute that. That's it. 5x minus 9 by 12x into 5x. 5x minus 9 by 12x into 5x. So 5 4s are is 20. 20y minus 15 divided by 4. Right? Okay, 7 4s are 28. 7 3s are 21 divided by 4. 5 4s are 20y. 5 3s are 15. Okay. So now take this out. Take this out, both of them. 28y minus 21 by 4 is to 20y minus 15 by 4. What is the final ratio we are getting? What is the final ratio they have asked us to find out? Final ratio becomes 7:9, right? The final ratio is 7:9. So let me write down this as 7:9, right? 7:9 is my final ratio. Equate both of them, you will get the value of y equals 3. Right, you'll get the value of y equals 3 when you equate both of them, the ratios together. Okay, so how to equate, I will tell you guys that also. I don't have space here, so please do adjust. 28y minus 21 by 4 is equal to 20y minus 15 by 4 is equal to 7 divided by 9. Okay, 4 and 4 will go here, so 28y 21y cross multiply karo, y ka value mil jayega, y equals 3. They have asked us to find out what? They have asked us to find out what? The liquid X, right? Liquid X, what is the proportion? It is 7x. So 7 into 3. Okay, 7 into 3. So I have substituted this as y. So let us take this as 7y and 12y. Okay, x and y, they both same, just the variables. Okay, so it is 7 into 3, which is 21 ml, right? Which is 21 ml, which is present in the option D. Right, is present in the option D. So if I have took it as a 7y and 5y. Okay, you can take it as 7x and 5x also. These are x and y are nothing but same. Okay, So here x equals y. Okay, x equals y. Do this one. You'll get out the value of y, which is also equal to x at 7 into 3, 21 ml. So that's it from the session, guys. Okay. Thank you for attending throughout the session. I know mixture and allocations is a bit of complex topic, right? So three problems will actually take more than 10 minutes to explain, because the formulas, how you derive the formulas and how you take the formulas is very important. So a bit of more explanation will take for these problems. Hence, you will find that complication. So I'll see you all in the next session, which is the mixture and allocations part 2, again with three basic problems, one easy, one moderate, and one difficult. And see you all in the next session. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel Unacademy Ascend for dedicated updates on general science, general aptitude, as well as engineering mathematics. Thank you.